Hey guys, so I'm back with another video today. I've had 3 up this week. That's pretty good for me. This is Hannah and she's coming for, it was a fresh set, so we prepped all our natural nails, we applied tips. These are my tips that are coming out. I've been saying it for a while now, but they are coming out hopefully soon, but yeah, hopefully soon. Yeah, applied them, shaped them, applied my clear layer, and now we're going in with our design. Hannah usually knows what she wants when she comes in, and she had no idea, so we took forever just deciding what to do, really. And we come up with a grey and pink set. So on the baby here, I'm using a Moor. Usually my Moor is quite, I don't know, it seemed quite sheer today, and I don't know why. Just on this baby finger, so I had to go in a few times, obviously to build up my structure and stuff, but I did have to go in a few times to get it to be quite opaque. I get confused with opaque and sheer, because I always think opaque is sheer, but it's not. Like, opaque means like full coverage, doesn't it? But I get confused with those two. I'm 31, right, and I still get confused with my right and left. I have to say to myself, I write with my right hand. That's mental, isn't it? Like, I'm 31. Why does that even still happen? But yeah, that's me just being honest and thick. But anyway, so yeah, full nail of that on the baby, and then this is going to be a cutout like I did on my last video. She really liked that style, so we went for it, but we're going to go for grey at the back rather than nude. I'm using my size 10 brush. You'll see me on the next finger, cut it off because I didn't realise, but I had a bit of acrylic stuck in my brush from my previous client that I did before, and it was doing my head in, so I had to literally scrape it out. Worst thing to do in it, so then a little bit was flicking up. But anyway, I remembered not to do that in the future. So yeah, doing like a little slant down one nail with this grey is it was storm and elephant mixed together. She wanted elephant, but I didn't have enough really, so I had to mix a little bit of storm in with it, which is like a lighter grey, but it worked fine, just to bulk it out really, just so we had enough. Yeah, it's a really nice grey. So yeah, just going to do the cut out here, going to build up the colour, and then I will cap it. I think I do cap it, unless I cap it later on, but we'll see. So the middle finger is going to be a ombre, so we're going to place a bead of grey just in the centre of the nail. Then we're going to flip our brush around and fan the excess up to the cuticle, and then we're going to walk the rest of the product down or paint it, whatever you prefer to do. So then next we're going to come in with a nice bead of a Moor. I did work pretty dry. You'll see it doesn't, like, usually it's just a nice smooth application, but I did work pretty dry, so my first bead was a struggle to blend. You'll see, but I go in with another bead and just, it's much wetter, so it's easier to pull down. But before we do that, because I like to set any ombres, I like to set the tip first. Like, whatever colour I've put at the tip, I like to just set it just slightly. So while we're waiting for that, we will just quickly cap this side in clear. So the pointer finger is just going to be a full colour of Amore, and then at the end, I do it off camera actually, but we do apply some crystals to this one, so it wasn't going to be just plain. So yeah, just a full nail of pink. And then the thumb is just going to be a full nail of grey. She said that she didn't want pink on her thumb because the past 3 sets she said pink on her thumb, so she was like, please can we switch it up, so we went for grey. We made sure grey was on the thumb. It was all, the whole set was like set out, made sure that the thumb was grey. So yeah, once I've done that, I'll then cap that nail in clear, and I'm still using my size 10 brush. So by this time, this nail is going to be dry, ready to file. So I'll come in with my hand file. These are my files, my 100 180 grit files. They are amazing. They don't bend. You know, after a good few uses, sometimes they can bend and get flimsy. These don't. They're great. So I'll leave everything in the description box of what I've used, obviously, as per. So we're going to just remove all the dust, make sure that's lovely and straight, and then we're going to come in with this pre-mixed glitter again like I used yesterday. It's Angel Wings from CJP, and we're just going to pat that into the gap. yeah, not the best angle, but I left it in. Just a quick whiz over with my Efile, and then I'll shape again off camera. I will get a video up as soon as possible. It's just so hard to get the angle of the camera right, but I will set up and make sure that I do one as soon as possible. So yeah, once I've done that, then I will shape them like I said, and I will buff them lovely and smooth. I do apply some crystals to the pointer finger, did that off camera, and then we are ready for top coat. So now we're all done. We remove the dust and we're going in with our top coat. So this is CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, and we're going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. Make sure that you go around the crystals and not over the crystals, because you will just dull their shine. They will go like blurry. I'm sure you all know that anyway. So these crystals are all from my website. These were that crystal in the middle was my horse eye crystal, and then they're just the AB crystals joining up around the edge. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.